Welcome back to Improve Autos. If your definition of freedom is bringing your entire luxury home with you, then look no further. This isn't an RV, it's a six-figure, residential-grade moving palace. This is the 2026 American Eagle by American Coach. We're talking about a luxury motorhome built on a heavy-duty chassis featuring full tile floors, a massive Cummins engine, and unparalleled luxury. This is the absolute peak of American road travel. Pricing and exclusivity. Let's be upfront. Luxury of this caliber commands a serious price tag. The 2026 American Eagle is expected to start around $750,000 USD, with many highly optioned floor plans pushing past the $1 million mark. This is an investment in quality, freedom, and self-contained luxury. You're not just buying a coach. You are buying the highest-end components, like custom woodwork and a commercial-grade chassis designed to last decades. Platform and ride quality. What separates the Eagle from everything else is the foundation. It sits on a premium heavy-duty chassis like Spartan or Freightliner, powered by a massive 600 horsepower diesel engine. Crucially, it features a tag axle. This is a third axle in the rear, which drastically improves weight distribution, stability in crosswinds, and overall ride comfort. Combined with a full air ride suspension, this 45-foot mansion glides down the highway, smoothing out bumps that would shake lesser RVs to pieces. Off-grid and tech. The Eagle is built for total independence. You have huge, fresh, gray, and black water tanks for long stays. Power is handled by a massive 12.5 kilowatt diesel generator and a powerful inverter system, enough electricity to run multiple roof air conditioners and your residential appliances simultaneously. For comfort, the Aqua-Hot heating system provides instant, continuous hot water and whisper-quiet interior heat. The American Eagle is a true four-season coach, insulated and heated for any climate. Interior and residential luxury. The moment the multiple slide-outs extend, the interior space becomes massive. You are standing in a luxurious apartment. Expect full porcelain tile floors, quartz countertops, a residential-size French door refrigerator, and a full-size stackable washer and dryer. The master suite features a true king-size bed, a dedicated entertainment center, and often a luxury full bathroom with an enormous shower. It is truly residential comfort on wheels. The 2026 American Eagle is the ultimate statement in luxury mobility. It offers unmatched stability on the road, true off-grid capability, and an interior that rivals multi-million-dollar homes. It is the pinnacle of American coach building. So, the big question, if you had $800,000 to spend, would you buy a luxury home or the ultimate freedom of the American Eagle? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Improve Autos.